Universe is a collection of billions of trillions of galaxies. Multiverse theory suggests that our universe, with all its hundreds of billions of galaxies and almost countless stars, spanning tens of billions of light years, may not be the only one. Instead, there may be an entirely different universe, distantly separated from ours. Indeed, there may be an infinity of universes, all with their own laws of physics, their own collections of stars and galaxies. A megaverse is a collection of several different multiverses, either a finite or infinite amount of them, usually each having different properties and interuniversal laws, such as different cosmic events being possible, such as big booms, etc. The omniverse is a set or number of supposedly coexisting parallel universes or contains arcverses that forms all of existence. By definition, there is no way for anything in one universe to affect something in another. The multiverse, megaverse, and omniverse, and just theory, but who knows? With the size of our universe, do you think we are the only one?
Megaverses are the fourth unofficial layer of archverses, following universes, multiverses, and kiloverses. While our megaverse is about 6.81 sextillion Li, which is actually quite small, some megaverses can be bigger than xenoverses. Megaverses contain fragments of the Inforiumverse, which contain. There more is gonna be more. So you want to know what is after megaverse. A gigaverse is a huge complex of various megaverses. All megaverses within a gigaverse have less connections and are further away than multiverses in a megaverse and universes in a multiverse, which is why verses leveled in between the gigaverse and omniverse start to lose any significant meaning. Want to know what after gigaverses? Hyperverse. A teraverse is an unstable complex of gigaverses, making it the sixth unofficial level. Starting at this point, gigaverses are so far apart that a gravitational singularity is located at the center to keep them together. Lilium in here is also much less common compared to gigaverses. Archverse. I'm just going to list them all. Archverse is a cosmological structure that is defined to be a large set of verses that are composed of universes. Simply put, they are finite or infinite sets of smaller archverses. Verse and Dimensions Wiki. You might realize that as the list continues, we may eventually run out of W. Macroverse. A macroverse is a verse of any type which is particularly large when compared with the normal size of verses of the same type. Verse and Dimensions Wiki. There is pretty little lore behind the word macroverse. If we use this definition, macro-megaverse would probably refer to 6 dimensio. Hyperverse. Hyperverse in this case comes from two words, hyper, which is used in mathematics to designate higher dimensional space, and something extreme, above or beyond the usual level, as well as verse as a short for universe. So it is intended as a description of a superior higher dimen. Outerverse reality. Outerverse is a term coined within this wiki to refer to any reality that transcends all concepts of dimensions. Versus Battles Wiki. It is infinite dimensional and has no dimensions. All Dimensions Wiki. Outerverse is the assumption of something that dimensions cannot describe.
Metaverse. The metaverse is a collective virtual shared space created by the convergence of virtually enhanced physical reality and physically persistent virtual space, including the sum of all virtual worlds, augmented reality, and the Internet. Wikipedia. The metaverse is a virtual reality spa.
Omniverse existence. Omniverse, a concept in Western superhero comic books of an all-encompassing reality that every real and fictional universe is a part of Wikipedia. Less than so and so greater than is omniversal. Omniverse is basically the new universe. Everything that there is, it is the omniverse. If we are Jew,